Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing a focused workspace and taking immediate action. Open a drawing app, create a new canvas at a practical size like 2048 x 2048, and pick a basic brush so you avoid overwhelm. Use a light grid or guide to anchor proportions. This helps you map shapes accurately. Lower brush opacity to about 80% for sketching, and lock orientation so your hand won't shift the view. Once set, make a quick thumbnail sketch to capture proportions and composition. Once your thumbnail is nailed, build structure with deliberate steps. You block in big shapes on one layer. This keeps edges clean and makes corrections simple. Create a new layer for refined lines, switching between 2 to 3 brush sizes to vary stroke weight and express depth. Make use of selection and transform tools to nudge proportions without redrawing. Then add a mid-tone layer beneath lines to establish values, because early contrast decisions guide later color and lighting choices. This saves rework. You finish by refining edges, adding highlights and shadows on dedicated layers so you can tweak intensity without harming base art. Use multiply for shadows and overlay for glow. Subtle opacity changes make big differences. When satisfied, merge only non-essential layers, export at original resolution as PNG or JPEG, and back up to cloud storage. If the app lags or brushes stutter, make sure to free device storage, lower canvas resolution, or clear the app cache. These quick fixes restore smooth performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.